Hello everyone, welcome to CMIS Digital Classroom. In our previous classes we have discussed something about what we used to do in our daily life to estimate the number, to round up the number, to write the number in nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousands or nearest 10,000s and so on. So in this exercise also we are doing those type of questions, but the estimating sum and estimating the difference. So in the next class video we will learn about how we can estimate the sum. Now we will see how can we estimate the difference. Nothing is new. It's all about the estimating of number only. If you understood the estimation of number, you can do the estimated sum also. You can solve questions related to the estimated difference also. You can solve the question related to the estimated product also and estimated difference also. I will divide also. So whatever the questions related to the estimation, it is depend upon the topic estimating a number you understood or not. So in mathematics, this matter a lot. It is a relation, not only in mathematics, in other subject also. Sometimes if you skip some classes, or if you so if we not understand the basic things about that, then you will not be able to understand the next chapter. So it is suggested, if you have not watched the previous video, go and watch again so that you can learn the further. इससे पहले भी जो भी टॉपिक्स हम लोग ने पढ़ा है, आपने देखा होगा कि कभी अगर हम लोग एक चैप्टर मिस कर जाते हैं या प्रीवियस चैप्टर मिस कर जाते हैं तो आगे का चैप्टर जितने होते हैं वो समझना मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो हमारे यहाँ पे ये फैसिलिटीज है कि प्रीवियस वीडियो सारा आप देख सकते हो. कभी भी कोई भी एक्सरसाइज का हो, आप वो चैप्टर चूज करके आप बहुत इजीली हमारे इस एप्लीकेशंस के थ्रू देख सकते हो. तो आपको समझने में आगे का चैप्टर्स भी इजी हो जाता है. सो लेट अस सी सम क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू द एस्टिमेशंस ऑफ नंबर और एस्टिमेटिंग द डिफरेंस. So to solve some question related to this chapter, let us take an example. Estimate the difference of this and this to find the nearest time. So it is saying to the nearest time you have to find the difference. Then verify by finding the actual difference. So you have to check what is the difference, estimated difference, and what is the actual difference. Okay. So let us estimate first. Okay. Or let us find the actual difference first. Okay. So here the estimated difference first we will find out. Estimated difference, and here we will find out actual difference. Okay, so this side we will find actual difference, and that side we will find out the actual difference. So estimated means first we have to estimate to the nearest 10 of this also and this also. So rounding of this number to the nearest 10. Rounded to the nearest 10 of 8505. So of 8505, 10 में राउंड ऑफ करने के लिए हम लोग ने पढ़ा था कि वी हैव टू चेक द नंबर आफ्टर टेंस प्लेसेस. So टेंस प्लेस के बाद जो नंबर है 5 है. So if it is 5 to 9, then we will make this 0 and we will add 1 in tens place. So this will be 8, 5, 1, 0. This will be the rounded to the nearest 8505. Okay, 8510. And then what will be the estimated estimates rounded off to the nearest end of 2909. So of 2090 is 2909 is, it will be, this is 9 in ones place, so again 1 will be added here in the tens place, so this will be 2910. So now we will find the difference of these two numbers. It will come 0 0. So 9 plus 6 is 15. So here 6. So 8 is 7. So here 5. So 5600 we are getting, which is the estimated difference. Now let us see the actual difference. So to find out the actual difference, it will be 8505 and 2909. So if you see the actual difference, it will be again 9 plus 6 is 15. So this is 1, then 9, right? Then this is 4. So 9 plus 5 is 14. 5. So 8 7 5. 5596 is coming. So this is the actual difference which we got, and this is the estimated difference we got. So now these are the two results which we are getting. Now if you see the difference between these two numbers, because it is asking estimate the difference of this and this to the nearest end, then verify by finding the actual difference. So actual difference also we have to find out between the estimated value and the actual difference. Okay, so let us see what will be the difference. So here only I am finding the difference. So 5 6 0 0 and 5 5 9 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Then this is 0. Okay. Then this is also 0. This is also 0. So only 4 is coming the difference. So this is how you can find out the difference also if it is asking. Okay, so this is the difference which is coming between the actual difference and the estimated difference. This type of questions you can solve by this. Let us discuss some questions from exercise 7.3, which is we have taken question number 2. Question number 2 is 4 and 5 I am explaining. So here two questions it is given, and it is also given that you have to estimate is of the difference to the nearest thousands. Okay. Also find the actual difference. So here first let us find the actual difference, and then we will find the estimated difference to the nearest thousand. Okay. So the actual difference will be 7 plus 2 is 9, 8 plus 2 is 10. So this is 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay. Then here it is 8. Okay. Then this is 4. And then this is 5. So 3 4 5 2. 2 4 8. 2 4 8 4 double 2. So 2 4 8. 8 not here, it will be 9. So 2 2 8. So here it will be 9. Okay, 9. So 2 4 9 4 double 2. 2 4 9 4 double 2 is the actual difference. Now you have to find the estimated difference also to the nearest thousand. So we know how to round up the number to the nearest thousand. So for rounding the number to the nearest thousand, we will take the thousands place first and we will set the number after thousands place. Thousands place के बाद वाला जो number है वो अगर 5 to 9 के बीच में लाई करता है तो ये सारे डिजिट जीरो होने के साथ साथ ये जो थाउजेंड्स प्लेस में डिजिट होता है उसमें हम लोग 1 ऐड कर देते हैं तो ये नंबर हम लोग का हो जाएगा 6010000 बिकॉज बाकी जो भी प्लेसेस होता है ये जीरो हो जाता है जस्ट थाउजेंड्स प्लेस के बाद वाला नंबर के ऊपर ये डिपेंड करता है थाउजेंड प्लेस अगर यहाँ पे 1 to 4 के बीच में नंबर रहता है तो ये भी कोई चेंजेस नहीं करेंगे अगर 5 to 9 के बीच में रहता है तो इसमें एक ऐड करेंगे तो वही मैंने किया है सेम विद दिस नंबर आल्सो विल चेक द नंबर आफ्टर थाउजेंड्स प्लेसेस थाउजेंड्स प्लेस के बाद वाला नंबर 3 है तो 3 है तो इसमें कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं होगा ये सारे डिजिट जीरो हो जाएगा तो 0 0 0 ये 3 डिजिट जीरो हो गया अब ये एज इट इज रहेगा 351 सो इसका अभी हम लोग को डिफरेंस निकालना है तो ये हो जाएगा 0 0 0 0 5 plus 5 is 10 6 is 5 3 4 5 so 2 5 0 0 0 0 so that means this much will be the estimated difference okay to the nearest thousand so ये इसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है क्वेश्चन में कभी-कभी instead of 1000 it may ask for 100 also it may ask for 10 also so as it has asked for 1000 so we have rounded the number first to the nearest 1000 and then we have find the difference so let us do this one also with the same process so here 2 so 2 and 9 will be 11 so 9 okay then this will be 3 so 3 13 that means 7 plus 3 is 10 3 6 is 13 then 5 will be 4 so 14 9 plus 5 is 14 so 5 okay so here it will be 9 now okay and because this is 9 so this will be 4 so 8 plus 4 is 16 sorry 8 plus 6 is 14 so 6 and then 14 so 8 is 7 so 7 6 9 5 6 9 is the actual difference so now we have to find the rounded or estimated difference also so to find out the estimated difference first we have to round off the number to the nearest 1000 so for rounding the number to the nearest 1000 we will see the number after thousands places this is 5 so these all will be 0 and here we will add 1 so 8 5 1 0 0 0 and in the same case to round off this also to the nearest 1000 we will check the number after thousands places so here this is 9 here also 1 we will add so these all digit first will be 0 0 0 and then here it will add 1 so 1 and 8 will be as it is so now we will see the difference of this one number so 0 0 0 and here 0 and this is 15 so 8 plus 2 is 10 so 2 plus 5 7 so 7 and this is also 7 so 7 7 0 0 0 0 will be the estimated difference of this number तो वेरी इजीली यहाँ पे वही मैटर करता है कि आपको अगर एस्टिमेट करना आता है नंबर अच्छे से एस्टिमेट करना आपने सीख लिया है तो ये एडिशन भी बोलेगा तो भी आप बहुत इजीली कर लोगे और सब्ट्रैक्शन भी बोलेगा तो भी आप बहुत इजीली बना लोगे ठीक है सो स्टिल इफ एनीवन हैविंग एनी डाउट्स यू आर वेलकम टू आस्क दैट्स ऑल अबाउट एक्सरसाइज 7.3 one question is there in question number 3 of exercise 7.3 let us discuss this there are this much of people in a village so if the number of female is this much so estimate the number of male in the village so here you can observe one thing it is asking to estimate only but it is not asking to estimate in how much estimate in what to the nearest 10 nearest 100 nearest 1000 what so in that case we have to estimate in both the numbers I mean here we have up to 100 places so we have to round off the number to the nearest 10 also and we have to round off this number to the nearest 100 also If it exists up to thousands places, then we have to do the round off of the number to the nearest thousand also. So जितने डिजिट्स तक रहेंगे उतनी प्लेसेस तक आपको राउंड ऑफ करना है, और यहाँ पे हम लोग को राउंड ऑफ करना है डिफरेंस का, ठीक है. So there are this much of total people in a village. Okay, so let us round off this to the nearest 10 first. Okay, so rounded to the nearest 10 is equal to, अभी पहले हम लोग राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं नियरेस्ट 10 में. सो द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीपल is equal to, if we are doing round off to the nearest 10, so we have to check the number after the tens places. So after the tens places we have 5, so here we have to add 1 in the tens places, so this will be 710. So total populations will be 710. If the number of females is this much, so number of females is equal to estimated number we are finding, not the actual number. So estimated or rounded number, rounding off to the nearest 10 we are finding first. So in case of rounding to the nearest 10 we have to check the places after 10. Okay, so 10 places के बाद में यहाँ पे 2 है, तो 2 है जो 1 to 4 में लाई करता है, तो इसको सिर्फ 0 कर देना है, कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं होगा. So 340 हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So now the difference will be, because it is asking that you have to estimate the number of males. So to find out the number of males, so number of males is equal to 710 minus 340. So 710 minus 340 means 000 4 plus 6 is 10, 7 is 11. So 7 and then 6, 7 will be 6, so 3 will be 6, 370. So 370 is the round off to the nearest 10. Okay. In case of nearest 100 now, let us see what will be the answer. So rounded to the nearest 100 now. So if you are rounding this number to the nearest 100, then what will be the result? Let us see. So 100 places means you have to check the number in the 100 places. We have after the 100 places we have 0. जो भी प्लेस का एस्टिमेशन बोला जाता है उसके बाद वाला जो नंबर होता है उसको चेक करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे 0 है, तो इसका मतलब सिर्फ ये 2 डिजिट 0 हो जाएगा और कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं होगा. तो ये हो जाएगा 700. और इसमें भी हम लोग का 100 प्लेस के बाद वाला नंबर 4 है, तो ये दोनों डिजिट 0 हो जाएगा, कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं होगा और बाकी. सो 300 हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ मेल्स अगर निकालना है तो 700 माइनस 300 हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 3 plus 5 is 7, sorry 3 plus 4 is 7, so 400 हो जाएगा. So this is how the rounded off to the nearest 100 will be 400. So this is how you can solve this type of word problems if it is asking from your chapters. Now I hope you can solve exercise 7.3 in your homework. So your homework is exercise 7.3. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care and